Hi, Ben here. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to sidechain only the low frequencies of your sounds using a parametric EQ and a P controller. This technique can also be applied to other scenarios. For example, if a lead is competing with your vocal and you want to maintain the energy in both elements, using this technique on the mid frequencies can be the perfect compromise. In this video, however, we will look at the most common scenario where we have a bass overlapping with our kick. Usually this can be solved with normal sidechaining, but sometimes you don't want that pumping effect you get from doing that. So let's see how we can make sure our bass elements don't crash into each other without being too noticeable. First, make sure your kick and bass are on separate inserts. Then, let's add a parametric EQ to our bass. What we are going to do is have our lowest band duck out of the way when our kick plays. To trigger this, we'll add a P controller to our kick. Now we can link the band we wish to sidechain to this controller. To do that, let's go back to our mid bass and right-click the band we wish to control and select Link to Controller and choose Peak Control Peak. And then just click Accept. To make this work properly, we need to make a few adjustments. Set the bass to 50% so the frequency band is in its original position when the kick is not playing. Then let's set the volume to a negative value so it ducks out of the way when the kick plays. Now we just need to set the tension and decay knob to taste and we're good to go. There you go, sounds great. If you have any questions or if something wasn't clear, you can leave a comment down below and I will do my best to help you out. Like and subscribe for more efforts to the tutorials and don't forget to click the bell button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any new content.